Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need the essentials first. An iPhone updated to iOS 14. 5 or later, Bluetooth enabled, and iCloud signed in. Put the AirTag next to your iPhone and remove its plastic tab so the battery connects. Once the iPhone detects the AirTag, a pairing pop-up appears automatically. Tap Connect. If prompted, name the AirTag from the list or choose Custom Name, then assign it to your Apple ID. This immediate action gets the tracker recognized and registered quickly. Once connected, you configure the AirTag. Pick a name or custom label and confirm which device it belongs to so Find My associates it with your Apple ID. Make sure Find My Network is enabled to allow crowdsourced location reporting. If you have an iPhone 11 or newer, enable precision finding for on-screen directional guidance. Also set up Lost Mode so you can receive notifications and enter a contact phone number. These steps make the AirTag useful beyond simple pairing. Finish by testing the AirTag. Open Find My, select the item, and use Play Sound or Precision Finding to verify location accuracy. Once done, store the AirTag where intended and periodically check battery status in the Find My app. Battery life typically lasts about 1 year. If the AirTag won't connect, restart your iPhone and toggle Bluetooth. If that fails, remove and reset the AirTag by pulling the battery tab, then reinsert and press until it clicks 5 times.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.